Hi, this is Camille. So today I'm going to talk about a brush that's called Mixture Brush, and I'm also gonna to demonstrate how to do just black and white simple character from scratch to finish. So there will be a full creating process, and I recently like to use this brush, which is this default Photoshop brush. You can find here. This one is called Oil Medium something, but it's right here. And then I would go to brush presets to unclick the shape dynamic and tool brush. Look at the transfer. I'm going to turn on the pen pressure. Go back to brush tip shape. I'm going to turn off just the spacing just to 1% because I don't want the edge to be clumsy. Like I want the very sharp edge. And choose a total black color. I'm going to do a test. See the brush paint just adjusted with the pen pressure. Harder I press, it just gets it. There's a overlap feeling of the paint. So I already have concept in mind that I'm going to do. I'm going to do a ape man. That looks kind of like half gorilla or ape and half human. So first I just black my whole canvas in light gray and I just add a new layer on top which is transparent, and I'm going to paint in this layer. And while I paint, I can also erase. So actually the lightest tone of the color of the lighting in this canvas, it's gonna be the gray you see as my base layer. So I'm going just to do a very light pressure, just draw in very light, just to resemble the gesture. It's not gonna be as super accurate, but what the saying is, if it looks right, and then it's right actually, then it's right. But if it's right but it's wrong in reality, then it's right. If it looks wrong but in reality it's right, then it's still wrong because it's all about visual contact, visual results. Doesn't matter if in reality it's shortened or further, as long as it looks right. Because we are doing art, not something medical. While he's in an ape man, head's gonna be huge, kind of a little bit long arm. And I'm going to block in silhouette shape. And how I'm going to block in this time, I'm just going to paint the part. It's quite like watercolor. You only paint the part to forming the shape what you're gonna do. Just kind of like paint over around it, cover it, and you see the shape is coming up. And I can really just do just block in the outside shape. Because man, we're a digital age, you can always go back fix things. Choose my eraser brush. So in this layer, all the color I only applied is just a solid black, that's all. And this ape man is gonna be kind of quite funny. I have some indication of the parts. It's like smiling, but no. Well, maybe make it open mouth. Be more interesting. The eraser, I want it more stronger when it erase. Yeah, I'm not sure the teeth will do the good job or not, so I may take it off. Of course, I'm gonna add something to cover up. So you can see at this point I'm just drawing the shadow. just gonna draw the outline to enhance. And I can also use smudge tool. So here comes the mixture brush. It's located right here. Acts like a add water function in Painter. I can like really slightly adjust the shading. I have it on very wet and see it gives you this kind of brushy feeling. Very nice blending.